can't even walk the dog. Everyone wants to go for a walk. Look, look. JJ. You know Cheetos is going. Bang. Drake. Monty. You're not going anywhere. Come on. Paulie, can't go this way. Oh, touchdown. Touchdown. Oh, touchdown. Touchdown. Paulie got a touchdown. Oh, no. Look at him. Zombies. They're following us, Paulie. Paulie, supposed to be a cat herder. Get over there and herd those cats. Get them back to the ranch. The Big C Ranch. Panda. Oh, no. Get on it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. A dog. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and lucky 7. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, you're gonna go down there and get hit by a FedEx truck. You're gonna use up one of your lives. Let's go. Archie. You're supposed to be a responsible adult. Let's go. Paulie. Don't make me get my dog. Come on. Don't make me get my dog. I'll get my dog. Don't make me get my dog. Come on, Archie. Let's go. Come on, Panda. Ha! Ha! Paulie. Paulie has no idea what he's chasing, but you did a good job last time. Chase Panda, starting trouble. There we go. Looking so innocent. Panda. Archie. You want some food? Archie. Say hi. Archie. Another successful day on the cat farm. Right, Paulie? Say hi to the people. Thanks for watching. Ah, here comes the rest of the herd. Gotta get everybody in before the coyotes get you guys. Come on. Paulie. Okay, we're good. I think we got everyone accounted for. Yep, after a long, hard day of cattle herding. About ready to call it quits, Paulie. Let's go. Oh, we forgot about the calf. Little straggler. It's moving in. Jordy. Paulie didn't forget about you, right, Paulie? No. Okay, let's go get the treat. Come on, let's go get a treat. Paulie, let's go. When I say click, click, all of a sudden I got your attention. That boy has a very limited vocabulary.